Hey friends, this is a bird that has gotten rescued. He's a baby that got rescued, and my husband and I have been feeding him. So you get to watch the feeding. Here it goes. He's very hungry. This is my handsome hubby feeding. Here he goes.
Get me over there.
You gotta be part of the video, baby.
Got it?
Yep, keep going. I mean, I'll just keep taking. He's so hungry. Now, if you're wondering what we're feeding him, we've been feeding him wet cat food mixed with
Ground up bugs.
ground up insects. I'll show you the bag, just in case you need to see it. Since we had cats, it was easy. We just started using cat food we already had. Here's the bag of bugs, insect formula. We've been mixing it with the wet cat food, and he seems to be doing pretty well. We don't know what kind of bird he is yet, but he's hungry baby.
Day 2.
Yeah, this is day 2. We got him yesterday.
Gotten a lot stronger.
He's getting stronger.
Swallow first. Don't wait. Choke.
Try to come around the front here to show you the front. He looks like he's
Yeah,
got
boy.
little tufts on the side of his head. I don't know if you can see them, but I like this little sound he makes when he's hungry. He's feeding.